So everybody, after eating the crabs, we just finished, I think we had like 16 crabs for 7 people or something. Ken, what do you think?
I think the crabs are delicious and that we did a really good job on making it. And even though it's just a French crab, it's really basic, but just a French crab, it was really good. It was really sweet.
And do you have something to say for the Taiwanese people who never tried it before?
If you don't come and buy it, you're going to regret it because we only have it during December. Yeah.
What about you? How did you like the crab?
真的很好吃耶，而且甜甜的。如果下次有巧克力口味更棒哦。
Amazing, that's good. So we have our first addict here. What do you think, Amanda?
It's delicious. You need to try this. Enak.
Everyone use their own language to say.
Yeah.
How about that? International.
Yes, your turn.
Indonesian.
Makanannya enak banget, terus manis. Jadi harus datang untuk coba.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay, so how about you?
This is my first time trying to crabs, but yeah,
It's also you don't look convincing. What do you want to say to all the Korean exchange students here on campus?
Please come. 여기 와서 같이 먹고 정말 맛있거든. 맛있어 정말.
Cool. So Chloe,
Yeah.
French crab. Is it really French?
Yeah. It's
Yep.
very good. You should try it. In French, les crêpes sont très bonnes. Les essayer.
Cool. So that was it then. I can just say vielen Dank. Wir haben ganz leckeren Crepe. Kommt uns bald besuchen. Bye bye.